Hello future makers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. Phonics is like the architecture of English. If you do it well, the foundation is laid correctly, the building of English language will be amazing. I receive a lot of comments and DMs about the upcoming video request, and one such request was, please show us how to give a demo for a PRT teacher or how to give a demo if you go to teach pre-primary classes. Phonics is a subject that's taken seriously in the kindergarten, and so today I thought that why not show you all a demo of how phonics can be taught to the classes. Whenever you go for a teaching interview, demo seems to be a very important part and you all seem to have a lot of issues with it. So from today's video, you'll get to learn a lot. Do watch the video till the end because there's a little surprise by the end of the video. Without wasting time, let's get started. Good morning, my lovely students. Have you all had your breakfast? Wow, majority of you have had your breakfast. Since we all have breakfast and we are pumped up to learn something new, let's get started with today's class. Before we start to learn something new, why not revise whatever sounds we've learned so far? Teacher is doing it over here and you are supposed to do it at your respective places. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, H, D, A, F, G, I, J, K. My lovely students have learned all the sounds so well. I'm so proud of each one of you. You all know it better than me now. Today we are going to learn something new. But before that, do you all want to hear a story? Wow, you all seem to be really excited to listen to a story. So, listen to the story carefully and follow the instructions that I am showing, okay? Excellent! Let's get started. So, once Lake and Leela packed their lunch, they started to get out for a picnic. They went near a lake. Near the lake, they lit a bonfire. Near the bonfire, they started to have a little dance. Do you all love dancing? I love dancing. I'm so happy that you all also love dancing. We all will have a lovely dance by the end of this class. But before that, we need to do some activities. Okay? Listen to what I say. After the dance, they got tired. They wanted to eat something. And they started eating what they had packed for lunch. They had the lettuce sandwiches, then they had the lemonade, and after that, they started taking out the lollipops. You know how they were licking the lollipops? Let us also pretend that we are Lake or Leela and lick our lollipops. Do as I say. Take your thumb out, take your tongue out, and just pretend that you're licking a lollipop. Like this. Do you understand? So what is the new sound that you learned today? What is the action for that sound? Will you all remember that? Amazing. We have such lovely kids in our classroom, I tell you. Now, I will tell you a poem. And whenever you hear the sound you have to do this action. Only when you hear the sound, you have to do this action, not throughout the poem. Let's get started. We lick our lollipops. 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 Wow! I love the energy with which you all did this. Okay, now tell me, what are these objects? What can you see? It's a green colored thing and it's found on plants. Leaf. Amazing. Do you hear the sound in leaf? Yes. Very good. Now tell me, what is this? We use this in our doors. Yes, it's a lock. Do you hear the sound in lock? Amazing. I think my kids know how to identify the sound very well now. So let us revise all the sounds that we've learned so far, and tomorrow I'll be back with some amazing activities for this. Are you all ready to do it with me? Let's go. Okay, teacher is doing it over here and you are supposed to do it at your respective places. Okay. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, J, K, U. Wow! Very nice, very nice. Tomorrow I'll be back with some amazing activities. Till then you'll have to keep revising all the sounds that we've learned so far. Okay? Thank you. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you want to learn phonics from me, I'll give all the details to a link in the description box below. Do fill out the form and I will reach you at the earliest with all the details. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us whether you have seen any teacher giving such a demo. Share this with your teacher friends and family and subscribe for TeacherPreneur for more such videos. See you tomorrow.